this is Stacey Roshan, and in today's video, we're going to talk about fostering a culture of peer-to-peer learning using Flipgrid. Here's an example that my AP Calculus students did when we got to AP Prep. We connected with another Maryland school and collaboratively solved a set of AP free response questions. It worked like this. The first person to respond to this Flipgrid did 1A of the problem. So they would click on the actual problem, which opened up the AP problem set, which has multi-part problems. So person 1 did 1A, then person 2 would do 1B, person 3 would do 1C, and it goes from there. So the idea is that the second person had to watch the response to 1A so that they could create the continuation of that problem and solve 1B. So it really became this collaborative process of building this together. So you can see from the bottom up, we went 1A, 1B, 1C. And sometimes when two people were recording at the same time, we did have two of the same responses, which was no big deal at all. We had more than enough problems for this problem set. So they did start showing their face, introducing themselves, and then they got to problem solving. So they just pointed as they talked through their solution process each step of the way. And then again, the next person would pick up from there and continue the problem. So we had the full set solved as a class. Some major benefits of doing this activity were my students got to hear how other students from a different school and with different teacher thought about and went about solving a problem. It served as extra motivation for students to complete the assignment since they knew that the success of the project relied on their collaboration. Students actually took the extra time to thoroughly verbalize their solution process since they knew that somebody from outside of our class would be trying to understand their video solution. Because Flipgrid allowed us to collaborate in this asynchronous manner, it was easy to set up. I didn't have to worry about what time the other class met at school. I just had to coordinate with the other teacher so that we assign this activity on the same day for students to do as homework. I hope that you enjoyed this idea. That's going to be it for me for now. Bye.